A lot going on out there. We have more earnings today, record closes, and of course, PCE. With all this in mind, what's your WEX word of the day?
Oh, the word of the day is anticipation. So that's the word that implies that investors have been giving the relatively weak earnings a pass because they are waiting with bated breath for the reports of earnings of Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Apple. All the big names are coming up in the next week or so. And that's what the market has been focused on, believing that they'll be very good. And they are expected to be very good. The fourth quarter earnings for the Mag 7, even including Tesla, which had terrible earnings, was up. The average 86% were the estimates. The rest of the S&P about minus 7.5%. So these are what people are waiting for. And we
Right.
hope that they can meet expectations. They think that they will, but that's what's been driving the market ahead.
Yeah, we saw just a bit of broadening yesterday with the Dow transports up over 2%, but the Mag 7 really remains crucial to the markets. We're going to get to your pick, which is in the Mag 7 in a second, but I want to talk to you about the overall market. So yesterday, we saw a much stronger than expected GDP report, and then we saw the S&P hit a new record high. Today, we have PCE. If it comes in line, what does that mean for the markets in your mind?
I think the market expects it to be in line. The only thing that could derail the market and interest in that would be a fairly high number, something that's 4% or 3.7, 3.8. We don't think that's going to happen. We still see rents coming down. The trends are in place. We know that energy is creeping up right now, but that had not been the case, and that's not going to be reflected in these numbers. So we think it will be relatively benign. And in conjunction with those GDP numbers, that's an environment that's soft landing or slightly better than soft landing, but no need for the Fed to start thinking that they need to raise rates.
All right, so as we mentioned, your picks in the Mag 7. Before we get to your pick, I want to ask you, Jim Cramer yesterday saying that Tesla should actually be kicked out of the Mag 7. Agree or disagree?
Well, I think by default, it's starting to happen. As the stock comes down, it's going to be out of the league in terms of, that plus trillion-dollar club. And if it keeps falling and if sales are weak and they have cost pressures or potentially a strike, that's just going to happen. And maybe someone else will move into its place, or it'll just be the Mag 6.
Maybe just the Mag 6. All right, let's get to your pick in that magnificent 7 as it stands now. Amazon. Why are you so bullish on Amazon going forward? And give us a sense. You worried at all about its valuation?
No, not really, because valuation for Amazon is at one of the lowest levels it's been on a PE basis for decades, really, because this is a stock that is always traded on its sales, nothing to do with earnings. The earnings this quarter are going to be up over 2,000%. Now, that number doesn't really matter, but 79% versus pennies last year. And we see that as a result of e-commerce, picking up. They continue to dominate. And that business has been pretty good if you look at the e-commerce spending over the last several months. The cloud business that was fairly weak last year, considering the growth had come down, is picking up. And cost, they continue to streamline costs.
There we go.
So